Hey there, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use the Microsoft PowerPoint presenter view when presenting in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So as you can see here, I am already in a meeting in Microsoft Teams. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the Share Content button at the top of your meeting screen. This is going to bring up the share content tray. And then what you'll want to do here is you'll actually want to open your PowerPoint file from the Teams meeting. So you don't want to have PowerPoint desktop application open and share your screen that way, but rather what you'll want to do is click on the Browse button and upload the PowerPoint file that you want to present to the meeting. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on my PowerPoint file and click Open. This is going to upload this PowerPoint file to the meeting itself. And what this is going to do is this is going to allow me to present these slides and also see my speaking notes at the same time. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm able to preview the slide content, and I can also see the notes that have been included in the slide notes on the right-hand side of this pane. Okay, if at any point in time you'd like to stop presenting, all you need to do is click on the Stop Presenting button, and to navigate between your slides, you want to click the Navigate Forward and Navigate Backs button here. Okay, now just to give you an idea of what the users will see, again, just to reaffirm that only the presenter will be seeing their speaking notes when using this approach. I've joined this meeting as a guest using my browser, and you can see here that as a guest, a participant in this meeting, I'm only able to see the slide content and not the speaking notes. So this is a good way for you to be able to leverage speaking notes that you've included in your Microsoft PowerPoint slides. Okay, so this is just a quick tutorial outlining how to use the Microsoft PowerPoint presenter view in a meeting in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found the tutorial useful. If you did, please like it, please drop a comment below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorial, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.